Lesitamgoko sasikhandela ukuhambisa amanzi angcolile kuphela, kepha njengoba sekunenxanxathela emikhukhu kule ndawo sesinomsebenzi omkhulu.
And if you have raw sewage being pumped into the river, you can expect that first thing, the species are endangered. You talk flora, fauna, and marine life, right? Those are the things. And actually, there are people who stay next to this plant who are affected every day.
We have actually spoken to municipality to come and actually attend to the matter. We have had all sorts of people coming through to come look at it, but nothing is happening.
Abanye abahlala ezindlini zomxhaso kahulumeni abanazo izindlu zangasese. Umasipala wendawo uyazazi zonke lezi inkinga zalomphakathi.
The plant is currently being refurbished. Therefore, the water treatment works is currently being bypassed to the maturation pond and provisionally treated. The refurbishment project requires emptying of aerobic treatment portion of the wastewater treatment works to provide access to mechanical equipment.
Umasipala uthi umklamo wokulungisa le ndawo uhlelelwe ukuthi uphothulwe ngoNhlolanja.